guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, I'm Femke, and in today's video I wanted to share with you how I made this cute floral sticker and stamped nail art design. It's really easy to do. I used Born Pretty store items only, and as usual, if you want to use my discount code, you are totally able to do so. It is FEM20 and it gives you 20% additional discount on your own purchase. I always share it in the description box as well as the pinned comment. If you can't remember it, you can always find it back right there. So you want to start off with the base coat. Of course, I already applied it and I am going on top of a white base. You can just use a white stamping polish or a regular polish, that doesn't matter. Just make sure it is completely opaque. And I am going to stamp on a beautiful floral image from this Nicole diary plate. This one is the L17 plate. If you want a link or anything like that, you can let me know in the comments down below and I will look it up for you. Usually I just tend to forget to share the links in my pinned comment or in my description box. So if it isn't in the pinned comment yet, just let me know in the comment section down below and I will reply to you directly with the link, of course. So this specific image that I am using, I just love it so much. I really love like anything floral at the moment because I am so ready for spring. And that is also the reason why I just decided to take this specific image and apply it to my middle finger and my ring finger. But for the ring finger, I actually just turned the image upside down. So it wasn't exactly the same like stamped on as I did for the middle finger. That is something that I can highly suggest to try out for yourself one day if you feel like it, of course. These floral images, they contain so much detail that it actually does look like a completely different image on the second nail if you just flip it around or upside down or anything like that. I just really love the effect it gives, and that way you only have to use one specific image, especially if you have like smaller plates with less images. That's a really fun way to just do a lot of different designs even though you only have like a limited amount of images. So yeah, then I also wanted to use a couple of beautiful nail stickers. I got these from Born Pretty store as well. The image plate as well as these stickers were sent out to me for like review purposes and just to try them out and make some cute designs with them. So that's what I'm doing in this specific tutorial. And yeah, as I mentioned, I'm so ready for spring. I'm totally over the gloomy, like dark gray winter weather we have here in the Netherlands. And yeah, I'm just ready for some sunshine and just some higher temperatures, you know? And yeah, I think that a floral design like this actually really suits my like urge for springtime, if you know what I mean. I really love these stickers as well. They're really thin, and if you apply a decent layer of top coat, you actually don't see that it are stickers. I do feel like sometimes top coats can kind of like give more sight of the like rims of the sticker. So some top coats will make it really look like a sticker that's just plonked on there, you know. But if you have the right top coat, you can actually make it look like it's not a sticker at all and more of like a water decal, or sometimes depending on the sticker it can really look like a painting as well. So yeah, just make sure you apply not too thick of a top coat, or just use a thinner top coat and apply 2 layers to make sure you don't see any of the edges or rims of the stickers. So yeah, you can just apply as little or as many stickers as you want to. I just applied a couple on my thumb, the pointer finger and the pinky. I didn't really want to do too much on the pinky and the pointer finger because I feel like I want to like give all of the attention towards the stamp designs I did on the middle finger and the ring finger, because I just really love that, and I think that stamped image is just gorgeous. But that was actually already the entire design. I'm just going to add another sticker to my pointer finger. And yeah, that is pretty much it. It is really easy, especially with those stickers. You're like done in no time. But then again, stamping like nail art doesn't take a lot of time either. So yeah, I really love to like mix and match different kind of techniques or products. And as usual, like you don't have to be a super nail art ninja to do beautiful nail art. And that is something that I really want to share with you through my channel and my videos as well, especially if you're just like beginning to do nail art. If you're a nail art beginner, you don't have that many supplies yet, definitely make sure to use my discount code because it does save 20% off your order. So yeah, that's always a good thing to save some additional money. But yeah, that was actually already the entire design. Really easy, really simple, very beginner friendly. And yeah, let me know what you think in the comments down below. I pretty much think it is really cute and perfect for spring. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you liked it. And as usual, I hope to see you in my next video.